We have arrived at one of my favorite places in the booth. This is the topic of compression technologies for high quality contribution links. As probably you can realize, to be able to achieve communication between the camcorders to the cloud, we need very high quality and at the same time low data rates to be able to use the bandwidth that we have, for example, in 5G connections. Also, when you have broadcasters or broadcast production centers communicating high quality contribution material to another station, it is paramount to have low data rates to avoid cost in transmission. Usually, the technology of intra-picture compression produce very high quality at very high data rates because they're simply utilizing intra-picture compression. We have also encountered in the past something called long group of picture technology, which produces lower data rate, maintaining high picture quality, but unfortunately the latency is very high because of the effect of the long group of picture. Sony has developed a very specific and very special technology based on HEVC, high efficiency video coding, also known as H.265. This is a very unique implementation in hardware, utilizing high video quality with low data rate, in other words, high compression ratios, but very remarkably at very low latency. This codec has less than 2 frames of encoding and decoding latency, which is incredible. Picture quality is contribution based, and we're showing it for a 4K material at data rate of 60 megabit per second, 100 megabit per second, and it's visually lossless. Also, it can be used for the transmission of high definition content, and we are here showing an example of 8 times super slow motion of 1080p at data rates of 25 megabits per second and 35 megabits per second. It's essentially visually lossless, very, very high quality. And this screen is showing you the latency between the source and the actual encoded and decoded material in real time. As I said, just under 2 frames of latency, which is very practical for real-time applications and interviews and communications in the field.